Introducing the all-new 18 karat vacuum plated chains, also known as PVD plating. Let's talk about it. What is vacuum plating and how is it different than the 18 karat gold plated? Vacuum plating is also known as PVD, which stands for physical vapor deposition. And what this is basically, it's a vacuum coating process that uses titanium nitride to coat the 18 karat gold onto certain metals such as stainless steel, which is the one we have. And this process is supposed to be such a brilliant process with even thicker coating that causes the plating to last so much longer than any other plating process there is out there. If you want a durable, non-tarnished chain that's 18 karat gold plated, I highly recommend trying some of our new 18 karat vacuum plated PVD chains. I'm gonna go ahead and try on all the ones that we have pre-made, and in the second half of the video I'm gonna show you all the other stainless steel and brass pre-made necklaces that we have that require very low labor, and you can attach just about any charm of choice to personalize it and use for your jewelry business. So let's get right into it. The first one I have on is a 16-inch 2mm rope chain. It already comes with the ending attachment on it, so it has a soldered cap, and it also has its own jumper and clasp. The one I have on is a lot thinner than the one that I'm showing you, but this is the same thing that it has on this necklace, and you can totally personalize it by adding your own charm of choice. In this case, I chose to add one of our best-selling Gothic Old English letters. We also have them in just a plain stainless steel chain with no plating, nothing on top, and the stainless steel versions are hypoallergenic and 100% tarnish free. I went ahead and added the 3mm rope chains on as well. So the first layer is the one I showed you in the previous clip, which is a 2mm 16-inch rope chain pre-made, and these two are the 3mm rope chains, and they are available in 18-inch and a 20-inch, and I stacked them all together so you can kind of gauge like sizing, the differences between the widths of each chain, and then the lengths as well. And these two are also available in the stainless steel color. So if you didn't want it in the vacuum plating, you can also purchase them with the stainless steel. Last but not least, from our rope chain pre-made vacuum necklaces, 4mm rope chains pre-made with the clasp as well. Let me put them on so you can see what they look like. Kind of just pulled up the 3mm ones so that I can show you what the 4mm look like. The 4mm is also available in the 18-inch and the 20-inch, and this is what all the sizes look like together. I personalized it by adding this cubic zirconia emerald green heart charm with little clear pave diamonds around them. We also have the matching ring in the charm, so I think this pairs really well together. And here's a little close-up for you guys to see all the chains: 2mm, 3mm, and 4mm. Next, we have these stunning 16-inch and 18-inch stainless steel snake chains that are already pre-made with the clasp attachment soldered onto them. Can we just take a moment for these stunning Marquis cubic zirconia tennis necklaces in a 16-inch and an 18-inch. They are 18 karat gold plated over brass. Next up, we have these pre-made 18 karat gold plated brass chains, and they are available in 4 different styles so far. The 2 curb chains, one of them which is more of a flat curb chain, it's a little bit thinner, and the second one is also a curb chain diamond cut, but it is slightly thicker. And we also have these 2 options that I'm wearing right here: Singapore rope chain and another dainty curb chain. What we love so much about these for you guys is that they don't involve high labor. So all you need to do is just personalize them to any style of your choice. You can add one charm on this. You can add multiple charms within the links on them. Before I go, I wanted to show you guys the vacuum plated option next to the 18 karat gold plated option, so you can see the color difference. These ones are a little bit more muted and vintage looking. Here's them in natural lighting. I turned the ring light off so you guys can also see what they look like. And I'll be sure to link all these chains down below in the description so you can just click the link and shop. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.